Your AI is a brilliant coder. But ask it to build a asterisk project? You get a mess of broken links and disconnected files. It's like a genius who can't tie their own shoes. What if you could give that genius a blueprint? Today, we're building the Python script that turns your AI's messy ideas into perfectly structured, ready-to-run web applications. No more fixing, just building. Before we jump in, subscribe, comment below, get your coding vibe for today. Generative AI is amazing at creating code snippets. But when you need a complete, multi-file web project, it often falls short. It gives you the bricks, but forgets the mortar. You're left manually creating directories, linking files, and fixing paths, the repetitive boilerplate work that kills your flow. This is where AI hits a wall, but it's also where our opportunity begins. So how do we fix this? We start with a high-level vibe coding prompt. We asked our AI to generate a Python script to create a full, color flipper, web component, specifying the exact HTML structure, CSS styling for every button, and the complete JavaScript logic. For our subscribers, we'll send the full vibe coding prompt you can use to generate this and other powerful scripts yourself. First, our script tackles the HTML. This Python function writes a complete index HTML file, creating the perfect structure with a title, heading, and all our buttons. Most importantly, it automatically links our future CSS and JavaScript files, saving us from manual errors. Next, the CSS. This function generates a complete style sheet, handling everything from centering the content on the page to styling the container and every single button. It even sets up specific colors and hover effects, all without writing a single line of CSS by hand. Now for the magic. The JavaScript function builds out our color flipper logic. It grabs all the button elements and adds event listeners. When a button is clicked, it changes the background color and updates the text display, including a function to generate a random color from a predefined list. Finally, the master function. This piece is the orchestrator. Using Python's "-os" module, it creates a new project directory, then calls our HTML, CSS, and JS generation functions in sequence, placing each file in the correct location. One command builds the entire, ready-to-run web application. And there you have it. We went from a mess of disconnected AI-generated snippets to a complete, functional, and perfectly structured web application with a single Python command. We didn't just prompt our AI, we programmed it to build. This is how you stop being a code janitor and start being an architect, turning AI's raw output into robust. Did you vibe code smarter today?